have a quiz session for y'all. I hope all of y'all have gone through the PPTs which we have shared in Illumine.
Yes, ma'am.
No? Okay. Then we'll have the quiz on those PPTs. Parinita ma'am, if you could just share the screen. There is a rule for the quiz. Everyone, please either write your answer in the chat box or write it in a paper and show it to us. Okay. In this thing, we have 2 rounds. The first round will be a round where I will be giving you all options for the answer. In the second round, I will not be giving you all options. You just need to see the question and answer. Ma'am, next slide. Now I'm going to start with round 1. The first question. Which dish is famous during the Baisakhi in Punjab? Option 1, Sadhya. Option 2, Sarson da Saag and Makai di Roti. Option 3, Biryani. Option 4, Mithai. Please write your answers.
Makki ki roti.
Yes, Arushi is saying option B. Ahana is saying option B. Yes, well, that time, and then Sarson ka Saag is available in that season. It's a Rabi crop.
Yummy.
Yes, it's yummy and delicious. Ma'am, next slide. Vijayadashami is without which? Is it Narkal Nadu and Shandesh? Is it halwa? Is it cake or thandai?
No.
Yes, Saratrika, Ahona, I got the answer from both of y'all. Anyone else? Yes, Protush, yes. All of y'all are correct. It's option A. Yes, Archisha. We have these delicious sweets after Vijayadashami. We have the Narkul Nadus, and there are so many sweets. There's a huge variety of sweets which we have. Traditional Bhutani soup called. Is it momo soup? Is it corn soup? Is it jaju soup? Or is it chicken soup? Ahona is saying jaju soup. Any more answers? Aratrika is saying A or B. Archisha is saying jaju soup. Yes, Ahona and Archisha, y'all are correct. It's jaju soup. So can any of y'all tell me why it's jaju soup? And like why do we have such a name jaju soup?
Jaju soup.
Why is it such a name jaju? Have any guesses?
लेकिन तो लिखी बोले नहीं सिलू वो बोले ना
This jaju soup, you know, it's made, the main ingredient here is milk. With milk, you add vegetables, turnip, but the main ingredient is milk. And the milk is called jaju in Bhutan. Next. Is it kibe? Is it manakish? Is it kinef? Or is it hamush? Ahona is telling option 1. Any more answers? Yes, it's kibbe. Now, ma'am, just show them how kibbe looks. See, these are very similar, and they're very similar to our samosas. These are very similar to our samosas. It's stuffed with meat and then fried. And you have a yummy sauce there to have it with. Next. Which is the Thanksgiving special dish of USA? Is it barbecue ribs? Is it hamburger? It's roasted turkey or hot dog? Okay, Ahuna, Aratrika, all of them are saying roasted turkey. Yes, Adrija also saying roasted turkey. See, this is the roasted turkey which we have during the Thanksgiving ceremony, which usually, you know, we have it in the November in USA. They do it to thank God for the last year's harvest and the blessings which God has given it to them. And turkey is a very locally available bird there. So they have this turkey. Next slide. This is an easy question. Name any 4 dishes from USA. It can be any 4. Ahuna, write it down. Yes, hot dog. Anything else? Cake. Okay. Burger, hot dog, turkey. Yes. See, there are so many other dishes. Even today, Aratrika showed us the sandwich. It is also a part of American cuisine. Here you have biscuits and gravy, you have apple pie, hot dog, hamburger. I think all of you are very familiar with hot dog and hamburger and apple pie.
Yummy.
And you know what is biscuits?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, apple pie is my favorite dessert.
Okay. So, Aratrika, can you tell me what is biscuits and gravy? What is that? Other dishes are very common, but this one is same. It's like a soft, the biscuit is made with a soft dough, and on top of that, you have a white meat gravy, and they have it in their breakfast. Ma'am, next slide. Name a famous healthy salad of Lebanon. It's the healthy and famous salad of Lebanon. Okay, Aratrika doesn't have the answer. Archisha, do you have the answer?
Platoon.
And who is giving this answer? Yes, it's Fatosh. Ma'am, just show them it. See, this is really a yummy and healthy salad. In this, we have cucumber, onion, tomato. There's a bread called pita bread that is fried and put inside. You have olive oil. It's really yummy and healthy even.
It was a little bit hard.
Yes, the second round is a little bit hard. You should have gone through the PPT well. Achha, now let's see who knows this. Name the national dish of Bhutan. Yes, Mona, it's yes, it's imadachi. It's the national dish of Bhutan. See, this is a really spicy dish. It's made with cheese and chilies.
It is really tasty.
Yes, it's tasty even. And you know,
It is
it's made
really
of
tasty.
cheese
I have eaten. My mother
You have
cooked
eaten it.
because my grandfather Ma'am, because my grandfather lives in Bhutan.
Okay.
And my mother is born in Darjeeling, and she has also went to Bhutan. She knows how to cook imadachi. I have also eaten imadachi.
Yes, Ahona has given an answer. Anyone else?
Ahona is very quick in giving all the answers. I just want to know whether Ahona is giving or Ahana's mom and dad is giving.
Orna.
Yes, it's Sadhya. Ma'am, just show it.
There's so much of food that we all are feeling hungry, I think.
Yes.
Everybody after the session is going to go and have dinner.
Now the last question for the day. Name 2 delightful dishes that you have during Christmas.
Fruit cake.
That is one. Fruit cake, plum cake, and any other dish which you have during Christmas other than the cake?
Ma'am, fruit cake and turkey.
Okay. Turkey, we have it in Christmas even, but it's more specified to the Thanksgiving ceremony, which we have in USA. Turkey is also had during Christmas. Ma'am, just show them the slide. See, you have fruit cake, you have chicken roast, how you said turkey. Those all the delicacies of Christmas. So I hope y'all have enjoyed the quiz. Was it a bit difficult?
For me,
Second round was
for me, it was easy.
second
for
round was
you
a bit
it was
difficult
easy.
with the
Okay.
Lebanon one and the Bhutan one.
Okay. For that, you should have gone through the PPTs a bit more. So now is the time for the feedback session.